Hello and welcome. My name is Alan Burgess. This is the Abu Ambassadeur 7000 reel, made in Sweden. Though first introduced in the 1970s, it's still one of the most popular salmon surf reels sold in New Zealand. It has brass bushes inside of here instead of ball bearings, and many salmon anglers replace these brass bushes at both ends with ball bearings, but I'm not sure that it makes much difference to the casting distance. One of the most important aspects with this reel is to ensure that the worm gear is kept clean.